This procedure will show you how to install your Curry's KD borrowed light. To complete the following steps, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a 3-foot level, and a steel square. For a 2-inch face frame, prepare the rough opening to the glass opening size plus 2.5 inches in each direction. For a 1.5-inch and 1.75-inch face frame, prepare the rough opening to the glass opening size plus 2 inches in each direction. Place the right side jamb into the opening. Attach the sill and make sure the corner gusset is engaged and has snapped into place. Install the header and make sure the corner gusset is engaged and has snapped into place. Push the left side of the header and sill in as far as possible to help make room for the left jamb in the next step. Attach the left side jamb. Make sure all corner gussets are engaged and have snapped into place. Install screws through the frame returns into the corner clips. Install remaining screws into the front of the borrowed light. Repeat the installation of the screws on the back side of the borrowed light. Adjust the compression bars using the Phillips head screwdriver, turning counterclockwise, until the frame is snug, level and plumb. Once all compression bars have been adjusted, recheck to ensure the frame is level and plumb. Congratulations! This completes the installation of your Curry's KD borrowed light.